Today we are going to use the Ogive to find the percentage ranks and percentiles. Now, in the last week we studied, we used this table to get the P's and PRs. In this, we got upper real limits as PRs and percentages as P's, right? Similarly, when we draw this Ogive, we take upper real limits on the x-axis and PCF on the y-axis, right? Here PCF on the y-axis, upper real limits on the x-axis. So here also on the Ogive we mark. Now PCFs are our P's, right? We just write P here. And upper real limits, x-axis, upper real limits are our PRs. So just write PR, right? Now these are the questions. In the same manner we can find the P's and PRs. So what you have to do, first we have to read the question and identify what is given, whether the percentage or the mark. If the percentage is given, then we'll have to go to the PCF column, right? P's. And if a mark is given, marks are here on the x-axis, no? We have to go to the x-axis, PR axis, right? Now, first one, find the median P50. So, what is given here? P50. Where do we have to go now? To the y-axis, P50. Now, where's P50? Here, 4, 8 likewise. P50 is here. Number 1, P50. Then what you have to do? You have to take your ruler. You must use your ruler, right? Then find where's P50. Here it is 48. This one is 52. We took 4 by 4. No? So the middle value here, P50. And draw a straight line to the Ogive. Use your ruler. And put this arrowhead in this direction, right? From here to here. And then from the Ogive, use your ruler and draw a straight line down. Then you can put some dots here, a dotted line. And that value is the answer. Approximately here it's 50.5. You can't get the exact value because your graphs are different. But we can get a rough idea here, 50.5. How do you get that 50.5? From 49.5 to 54.5, the gap is 5. We have taken 5 by 5 in class size. So you will have to calculate the approximate value, right? This is the answer, 50.5. You can write here 50.5. Now we'll go to the second one. The candidates who scored 40 or below were failures. What is the relevant percentage? So what is given there? The mark or the percentage? The mark. Who scored 40? The mark is given, right? So that is PR. PR. Where's 40? PR 40. Then here you will have to find PR 40. So here it's 39.5. Then PR 40, right? PR 40. That's our second question. And then use your ruler and draw a straight line from the x-axis to the Ogive, right? Put the arrowhead like this, in this direction, upwards. And from the Ogive to the y-axis, and here you will get the answer 23. That is the answer. So what's the percentage of failures? 23% failed the exam, right? They have scored below 40 marks. Likewise, third one. What is PR 67? So what do you have to do? Identify what is given. Given PR 67. So PR 67, where's PR 67? Go to the PR line. PR 67 is somewhere here. Use your ruler and draw a straight line to the ogive. And then put the arrowhead, right, upwards. Then from the ogive to this one. And here you will get the answer as 90. 90 or something, right? What you have to do, you have to read the question, identify what is given, and then you have to go to here, it's PR 67. So PR is given, go to that axis and then draw a straight line this side, this is the answer. Next one, the 5 top scorers were given prizes. The top 5 scorers were given prizes. What is the cutoff mark? Right? What is the cutoff mark to be a prize winner? So what is given? The 5 top scorers. Number of students, frequencies, PCF given. 5. So out 5, that is out of 50. Right? Then out of 100, it's 10. 10%, the top 10%, that means it should be P90. You know all these things, I am not going to explain because it's the same thing, only thing here you are using 2 axes. So 90, where's 90? You find 90 here and then draw a line, you can get the relevant cutoff mark. Next one, calculate SIQR. So SIQR is what? SIQR means P75 minus P25. So where's P75? Somewhere here, P75. You write P75, draw a line, then downwards draw a line and find the value. Similarly, find P25. Where's 25? Somewhere here. Draw a line and find the relevant mark. So SIQR means you have to get the difference between those two and divide that by 2. SIQR. Then write 4 uses of the ogive. What are the uses? I had given the note to you. We can say, if a particular mark is given, we can know the relevant percentage. And if a particular percentage is given, we can know the relevant mark. Then another advantage, we can find P25. We can find P50. P50, the median. We can find P75. We can calculate the IQR, and we can calculate the SIQR. Those are some of the advantages of the ogive, right? We can calculate the percentiles, percentage ranks. Likewise, you can write the uses of ogive. So, the summary is, now at the exams they will give you a set of data and they will ask you to draw the ogive, and they will give you some questions like this. What you have to do is, you have to name this axis PCF, y-axis, and we are taking PCFs as our P's and upper real limits as our PRs. Then, as we did earlier, read the question, identify what is given, take it to the relevant axis. Here P50, that means this y-axis P50. Draw the lines and find the answer. Here scored 40, marks are given, marks. Where's 40? Go upwards this way and mark. So it's easy. You have to draw only 2 lines and find, right?